Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard, the Stamps of Life, and it is time for me to share with you the newest club set for our Stamp and Die Hard Club members. Now, let me just tell you, I'm in love with this one. Ooh, pun intended. Ready? Get set. Here we go. It is called Heart Hot Air Balloons. That is a mouthful, but let me just tell you, it is amazingly awesome. You are getting two hot air balloons, okay? One, two. This one is solid, or you could put this solid stamp inside. Yes, there's even more in the add-on sets that are optional purchase. Then you're getting this cute little extra band to go around it if you want to. You're getting some clouds. You're getting some little mini hearts to put on there if you want to. You're getting sending you high-flying birthday wishes. Thanks for lifting me up. My heart balloons when I think of you. Oh, isn't that sweet? Soaring with love. Now, this is our Stamp Club members. And our Stamp Club members are also getting the handy dandy postcard with a couple ideas with a lot more on our website, right? In our idea gallery. Our Stamp Club members and our Die Hard Club members are getting this special December postcard. So you're getting this postcard. You're also getting this postcard that has a special gift on the back. A special gift on the back. And if you trim it right there on that dotted line, it is now a card front. After you do the special gift on the back, you can glue that to a front of a card. I know, isn't that awesome? It's like double duty. So you're getting two postcards. Now, my Die Hard Club members are getting all of that and the dies that match. Now, look at how many dies I threw in here, you guys. I kind of went a little extra because I love you. Why not, right? So you're getting, of course, the inside dies and the outside dies, right? Then I also gave you some extra dies over here. I gave you a couple extra clouds because why not, right? And I gave you a different little zigzag to put onto your hot air balloons and a couple other extra pieces to put on your hot air balloons because why not, right? Now, last but not least, and in your shipment, it is going to have a freebie. And I'm not going to show you the freebie because some people like to be surprised. But let me just tell you, for my Diamond Club members that are in all of our clubs, it is different than the other clubs. So each one is different, which is kind of fun, right? My friends, are you ready to see some samples? Now, I have a lot of samples to show you, but they're going to be in the next video. I'm just going to show you a couple right now. So I want you to go watch the add-on video because you've got to go check out the add-ons. But here we go. Look at how cute that is. Love that little stamped image in there with all the little dots. Thank you for lifting me up. Look at that. My heart balloons when I think of you. Look at this cute little, isn't that cute? It's like a little mini banner. Yes, Die Hard Club members, you're getting that die. Isn't that fun? I absolutely love that. Ooh, on Slimline. Look at this. Flying high. Look at that. Love soaring with love. I love that. You make my heart soar. Can't wait for you to see the other ones. Are you ready? Here's another cute one. Look how cute this is. This is like on a little scalloped circle base. See, it's just a scalloped circle, folded in half. Look how cute that is. And there's a little rocking horse on the back, soaring with love. Isn't that adorable? So cute. And then it says, look who's won. I love it. I love it. Now, I have tons more samples, you guys, but they are using the add-on items, and I want you to watch that video because you're going to fall even more in love. Ooh, pun intended again. My friends, now, if you are not in our Stamp and Die Hard Club, you need to join at least the Stamp Club. Join the Stamp Club. It's only $13.99 a month. That includes a brand new stamp set each month. That also includes the freebie. That also includes the cute little postcard. That also includes the special December postcard that has a special something on the back. Stamp Club members, $13.99 a month. You get the stamp set sent to you each month automatically. Boom. What does that mean? Okay, so that means you're getting a stamp set for $13.99 a month, what, the cost of 2 coffees, right? You're getting that. Then you're getting a 15% discount off of my entire website. Every single item, every single time you order, every single day, all the time. As long as you're a club member, every single item, every single order, every single day. So that means if you want to get XYZ on my website, and what if it's on flash sale? That means you get the flash sale price and the club discount. Every item on my website, you get a 15% discount. Well, does that include online classes? Yes. Does that include special limited edition kits? Yes. Does that include Totally Tiffany? Yes. Markers? Yes. Cardstock? Yes. Everything. Everything. 15%. It's like a sale every single day. Then you also get to earn club points for every purchase. So you can add those towards your purchases as well. Then you also, on your year anniversary with our company, not your wedding anniversary, it's your anniversary with us, you get a $15 gift certificate to use on our website, just as a little thank you anniversary. And we're throwing freebies once in a while, including this one you're going to get in December. And you get free gifts for joining. Oh my goodness, you guys, it's like insane. $13.99 a month. That includes the stamp set and all of those extra goodies. So go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on join the club and just watch that video. Now, keep in mind, the monthly commitment is only 3 months. After 3 months, you can cancel because you know what? We have a feeling you're not going to want to because $13.99, come on, 2 coffees. That's all it is. Or maybe even it's 1 coffee. I don't get coffee, so it could be even just 1. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. A lot of people love the stamps, but they want to get into the die-hard. Same stamps as the Stamp Club and the dies that match. This is our most popular club. Go check them all out. You'll fall in love. I'll see you there, thestampsoflife.com. Bye-bye. so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.